this video I'll show you how to grow your Pinterest account using a unique method I haven't seen shared publicly before. I also explain the search-based affiliate marketing strategy on Pinterest so you can earn money regardless of your follower count. For this strategy to work, you must optimize your Pinterest account effectively. This means including as many relevant keywords as possible to attract your target audience. Since I'll use my Pinterest account to draw people via search engine results, I need to focus on keywords that interest my niche audience. For example, if I'm in the summer nails niche, I'll incorporate those keywords in my name and bio. A longer bio with detailed keywords is always recommended, but here's a brief example. To edit your profile, just click on Edit Profile and add your keywords in the About section right here. After optimizing your account, the next step is to create a compelling profile picture. If you don't have one, just head over to Canva and design a free logo using their templates. Just type in Pinterest logo and choose whatever you want and customize it to your needs. Additionally, you need to find an offer to promote in your niche. Various affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact.com and others have numerous options. No matter your niche, a reliable strategy is to search on Google for your keyword plus affiliate program. For example, searching for summer nails affiliate programs will show you many options. These blog posts usually provide necessary details like commission rates and links to sign up for the affiliate programs for free and get your affiliate link. For this example, let's use a platform where a lot of nail polishes are sold and earn at least 15% for each validated sale you refer on your site. To ensure this affiliate promotion is successful and optimized for search-based bin marketing, we need to create a search-optimized blog post or article. You can write these articles yourself or use AI tools to automate the process, which I prefer. There are a lot of different AI tools that can write your articles for you and even add images and all of this good stuff, but I prefer using ChatGPT because it's free. You can use it for completely free and it's the simplest to use. So that's what we are going to use today. In the message tab at the bottom, you can type in something like create a 2,000 to 3,000 words article about 10 summer nails ideas. Click enter and wait for a couple of seconds for ChatGPT to generate your article. Once ChatGPT is done, you can simply copy this article. By the way guys, I've created an awesome affiliate marketing knowledge quiz just for you, whether you're just starting out or you're already an expert. This quiz will help you discover your level of expertise and provide you with personalized tips to improve your skills. You'll receive personalized tips and resources based on your results, and you'll get access to exclusive courses and ebooks to help you boost your skills and income. All you need to do is click the link in the description down below, located right here, to take this quiz. It's that simple. Don't sleep on it, and let's get back to our video. Now head over to medium.com to share your article for free. Sign up on Medium, where you can get traffic from both Medium and Google search, as these articles rank well. This can help you grow your Pinterest account and generate income. Now click on write. Now once again go back to your ChatGPT and let's copy our title. Go back to Medium, paste it right here, and now you can copy the rest of your article into medium.com, just like this. Just take a look at this, it already looks awesome. Now we used ChatGPT to generate our article and we don't have any images, so it doesn't look too appealing. What we can do is actually to add some images after each of these points. And for the images, what we can actually do is just to copy these topics. We can go to a different AI tool which is called DaVinci.ai and ask it to create a tropical paradise nails, and click on generate and wait for a couple of seconds for it to generate our images. And just take a look at this, it just created our images and these look awesome. For example, we can use this one looks awesome. You can click on download and download it to our computer. You can go back to our article, click enter to add some gaps, and click on this image icon right here and add your image just like this. Just take a look at this, it already looks way better. Now what you can do is actually, I'll show you one more topic. I won't show you the whole process, but you get the point. Leave the nails and change it to neon geometrics. Click on generate, and once again wait for a couple of seconds for the AI to generate your images, and just take a look at this. It looks awesome, and these images are what we need. It will help you to promote your affiliate links. Actually, this image I really like, so let's download this one. Go back to your article, add a gap, and upload your images just like this. Now once you got your article ready, all basically finished up with your images, now we need to integrate your affiliate links naturally within the article. For example, if you are promoting summer nails ideas and there are topics like tropical paradise, neon geometrics, fruit salad, these are all different styles and colors, you can add to these topics your affiliate links to exact products to make those colors. For example, these colors, maybe these to neon geometrics would be perfect, these to fruit salad would be awesome, and this way readers can click the link, visit the website and buy this product, making it a seamless process. But if you are unsure how to add affiliate links, use a simple call to action. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Just add a gap below this image and just type in something like this. Click the link to get your product with a discount. You can make it bold and just like this. And now all we need to do is click on this, paste your affiliate link right here. Now we go back to our website where we'll get our affiliate link. This is your platform. Just scroll down a bit and where it says links and referral, you can make it short, but it doesn't really matter in this case. You can copy this link, go back to your article, click on this icon once again and paste your affiliate link right here. Click enter. And here you go, you already added your link. And if somebody clicks on this link, we are redirected to this store where they can scroll through the products, through all products, and they can find themselves a product they need. And if this person who clicked on your affiliate link buys whatever product they need, you'll get a commission. Focus on building a niche specific account like summer nails ideas to attract and retain followers. For our Pinterest pin content, we'll use TikTok. Just go to TikTok and search for summer nails and scroll through the videos. Once you find your viral video, just copy the URL, open up a new tab, type in snaptic.app, paste your URL right here, click on download and download once again. This will remove the watermark from the video. Now go to your Pinterest account, click on create a pin, upload your video right here, add the article title and introduction in the description, paste your article URL in the link area. This way viewers on Pinterest can find and click through to read more and use your affiliate link, earning you a commission from purchases. Now once you add all of your images and all of your call to actions and your article is all finished up, last thing that's left to do is just click on publish and publish now. Yay, it says your story is published. We can copy the link of this article and go back to our Pinterest account. We can straight away just paste our link to this link area right here and just continue with our title and description. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Just go back to your article, copy the title, and for the description we can just copy this introduction part right here and paste it right here. Of course you need to add some hashtags, for example summer nails, and summer nails ideas. You can add a bunch of those. You can even add emojis, and the last thing that's left to do is just click on publish. One bonus tip that you can use is this website right here. This organic approach drives targeted traffic to your Pinterest page, boosting visibility and potential affiliate sales. This strategy works for any niche, side hustles, gaming, fitness, fashion, and more. Even with 0 followers, start by leveraging services that offer shoutouts from established Pinterest accounts with millions of followers. Check out the service I found in the description for quick organic growth. Remember, these strategies are simple but not easy. They demand time and effort. Building traffic from Pinterest takes hard work and patience as your account grows into a well-optimized, search-driven platform. Once established, it can generate passive income reliably. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content like this.